Student, today we are learn what do you mean by quick return motion. What is quick return mechanism in shaper machine? This is the figure of a shaper machine. This is the ram, cutting tool attached with the tool head. In shaper machine, the cutting tool removes metal only during forward stroke, and the return stroke of the tool is the idle stroke. Ram horizontally reciprocate along with cutting tool only during forward stroke metal removed from job. During return stroke, no cutting action, just back its position, idle. For this, the machine is such constructed that the time of return of the cutting tool is much shorter than the cutting time. Machine is made in such a way that return time is very quick. Okay, this is done to save machining time. This phenomena is known as quick return motion or quick return mechanism. Okay.